A GE microwave that is not heating typically indicates a problem with one of its components, such as the diode, magnetron, or door switches. The causes of this issue can include a burned-out diode, which converts electrical current to power the magnetron, thereby hindering microwave generation if it fails. Another potential cause is the failure of one of the door switches, as most microwaves have multiple switches, and a single faulty switch can prevent heating. Additionally, a burned-out magnetron, which produces microwaves, can also be the reason for the heating issue. To address the problem, replacing the magnetron and diode may be necessary, as these parts are irreparable if burned out. However, it is crucial to exercise caution when working with microwave ovens, as they can store thousands of volts of electricity, posing a risk of electric shock even when unplugged. Therefore, seeking professional help when replacing parts is advisable. A simple step to try before replacing parts is to ensure the door is securely closed, as an open or improperly closed door can prevent the microwave from heating. By checking the door and, if necessary, replacing faulty components, you can potentially fix a GE microwave that is not heating.